Feel like your talent isn't shining through as a performer despite your best efforts? Are you tired of feeling like you're not reaching your full potential or even struggling to keep your audience engaged, no matter what you try? Stop settling for average. It's time to up your skills and learn the exclusive secrets to mastering stage that top performers use to captivate the crowd in Mentalism performance. First up, the Stage and Street Hypnosis course running from September 10th to the 12th. Deep dive into the art of captivating any audience, whether on stage or in the streets, because this isn't just about the learning of techniques, it's about mastering the confidence and versatility to perform anywhere. Plus, you'll get the rare chance to actually test your skills in live street performances, all captured on video for your professional use. Also, from the September 14th through the 15th, step into the mind-bending world of Mentalism. This exclusive workshop is actually a gateway to mastering reality-altering techniques that leave your audience questioning what's possible. Gain the psychological insights and performance strategies that turns tricks into unforgettable experiences. And just like in the Hypnosis course, you'll showcase your new skills on the streets of Vegas with professional videos to boost your promotional efforts. This is your chance to fully immerse yourself in the mastery of hypnosis and mentalism, equipping yourself with the skills to perform with unmatched confidence and creativity. This event is designed primarily for live attendance in Las Vegas, where you'll feel the energy and excitement firsthand. But if you can't be there in person, online live attendance is available and you can access all the content later through online study. Whether you're a seasoned performer or just starting out, you'll gain incredible guaranteed content that'll transform your abilities. And as a true special bonus, we'll introduce several headline guest speakers exclusively for you. So sign up today at mindmasterevents.com and start your journey right here. So see you in Vegas.